Alright, hello everyone. Today I'm simply going to be teaching you how you can go ahead and zoom on into a clip on your Premiere Pro while editing. So it's just going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, I'm just going to go ahead and open up my Premiere Pro by searching it on my search bar right over here. As you can see, once it's open, you'll have to go ahead and create a new project right over here. Once you have done that, you can name your project whatever you want. So I'm just gonna name it tutorial, and you can set by clicking on this browse button, you can go ahead and set where you want your video's location to be. So as you can see, this screen opens right over here, and over here you want to go ahead and click on this new item button and just go ahead and create a sequence. And over here you can go ahead and put any settings that you want. I'm gonna go ahead and put custom, and this is because you want to go ahead and make the sequence of the size of your video or footage. So I'm just gonna make 1920 by 1080, as you can see, and I'm gonna put it 60 frames right over here, and I'm just going to create a sequence. So as you can see, once you create a sequence, in order for you to go ahead and add a video clip onto your timeline, you want to go ahead and double click on this project tab, and over here you want to simply go ahead and add any video you want. And there you go, it's imported, and now you just click and drag it on the timeline right over here, and as you can see, there's the video. Now you might be like, how do you go ahead and zoom into the video? So if you want to go ahead and do that, all you want to click is on effects tab right over here, and over here you want to go ahead and search for transform. And finally, you're gonna see this tab called transform right over here. You're just gonna click and drag it onto your clip. Finally, once you have done that, as you can see, here's your effects on the top left. Once you see the effects tab over here, you can simply go ahead and play around with this scale and positions to go ahead and zoom on into the part that you want to. For example, if I want to go ahead and zoom in into the text right over here, I can do that simply like that. And in order to reset, you can simply click on this and that. So basically the reset parameter buttons right over here. And even if you want to go ahead and change the size of the footage or zoom in and zoom out while the clip is moving, I can simply go ahead and click on this time right over here. And once I have done that, I want to go ahead onto the part of the video where it is gonna be zoomed in completely, so I can do that. Right, and then I'm going to basically go ahead and play it, and as you can see, it's gonna zoom in for me like that. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and make sure to comment down below if this video helped you. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching.